Add oil into a hot pan. Add cumin seed. Add bay leaf. Add potatoes in it. Fry it golden in color. Add salt in it according to your taste. Add cumin seed paste, onion paste, garlic paste, ginger paste and coriander paste in it and green chili paste. Let it cook for a while in low flame. Cook it in high flame now. Add turmeric powder in it. When fried all the spices, add spice washing water where you grind all the spices and add more water for the curry. Let it cook in high flame. When broth boil, add egg in it. Now let it cook for a while. Now cooking is over. Serve with hot rice, roti or paratha.